Hello, everybody, again. How are you? Well, as I just looked outside this afternoon, and it's now raining, so all of our lovely snow is going to melt away. But before it melts away, we're going to do some more art. So the next time it snows, you can have some art, snowy crafts to do. So I'm going to sing a song. What are these? Snowflakes. That's right. How many snowflakes does Vicky have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's our song. One little snowflake with nothing to do. Along came another one. And then there was 1, 2. 2 little snowflakes laughing with me. Along came another one. 1, 2, 3. And then there was 3. 3 little snowflakes looking for some more. Along came another one. And then there was 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little snowflakes and sing a jive. While along came another one. And then there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little snowflakes having so much fun. Out came the sun, and then there was melting away. Melted away. Melted away. Melting away. Melted away. And then there was none. Very good. So we're going to make our own snowflake art. And what we need is salt and another type of salt called epsom salt. This I got from the Dollarama. This is for putting into the bathtub when you have achy muscles and you're not feeling very well. This one is a chamomile with green tea extracts. It smells very nice. But you can just get the regular, no smelling, no scented Epsom salts. What you're going to do is put enough salt. I have about half a cup in the bowl. And add a little bit